Let's take a look at some different ways that you might organize Schoology with screencasts. Your goal is to find a way that works for you and for your students and does not add a lot of time to your day. So here are some general ways that you could approach this. One option, and many thanks to colleagues for letting me use some of their Schoology snapshots here. One way is to have screencasts grouped with resources. So you might have different folders for different sections, different topics, whatever works for your course. And then within those, you have all the resources. So you might have the screencasts along with notes, assignments, whatever. This might be really helpful if you are going to reuse your course content from year to year and store it and then re-import it. Another option is to just have one folder where all your screencasts are stored and then just have them labeled by whichever activity they go with or whichever section they go with. You could have some kind of a schedule that then shows students which video goes with which. I'm going to show you real quickly how to do that, and then I'll show you one other option of how you might incorporate screencasts. So if you're in Schoology, to add a video link, you just click on Add Materials. First of all, you have to have a link. I'm sorry. Let me copy one of my video links. And then inside the folder, you're going to click on Add File, Link, External Tool. Choose to add link. And then paste the link in the box that says Link URL. You can then give a title for whatever you want to have show up. This is my calculus notes, which I'm going to put in my Intro to Computer Science class. Then click Add. It'll go into your Schoology folder. And then you'll see it with the link. When your students click on it, it will then go to this page. They'll have to click a second time potentially to get to the link itself. So just warn them ahead of time that it may take 2 clicks, or you can put a note for that in the title. They should get used to it. So that's adding the different links to Schoology. Again, you could choose to organize them however you want. Another possibility is to create a linked document. So I'm going to show you that I currently have this in my Intro to Computer Science class. Inside of this, I have a file that has all the different dates, and then it shows which exercise we did on which date. The students can just click on that and it'll take them to the video. I'll show you an expanded version of this one that has a little bit more information on it. And so for this one, I have the date, I have the section number, a link to the notes sheet, the actual materials, the actual notes that the students would download if they're working from home, the video, and then a description of homework, or else a link to the homework. So for this one, if you wanted to just make a document, you would need to be able to work in OneDrive with this. And then once you have your document in OneDrive, you could then update it pretty quickly and easily. This is the one I like because it lets me just leave this document open and all I have to do is update the links every day. So to update this document, I simply type in the word video for a particular day and then select that. Inside of OneDrive, it lets me, if I right click on this, it lets me add the video link right away. So there's a link spot there. I can choose what text I want to display. Video is fine with me, and then I just paste in the address and insert it. This becomes a clickable link for students. If I want to add a link to my materials, so if I want to add the notes sheet for this one, I have all my notes in a column here. Say I wanted to add 7.8 notes again. I could then go into my OneDrive, and again I just leave all this open all the time in one browser so that I don't have to reopen these every day. I find my notes section, and then if I find little dots next to it, I can click on that. One of my options is to copy the link. Quick note about copying from OneDrive. Within OneDrive, things are set to edit by default. I do not want my students editing my notes. So I need to click on this and then choose to deselect Allow Editing, choose Apply, and then choose Copy. Then I can add that link to my Chapter 7 page here. So I just would right click again, add a link, paste in the address, and that's ready to go. Advantages of this, I control this. If I want to repost this from year to year, it's very quick. I don't have to go through Schoology for that. then again, I just include this link from my Schoology page so the students know that everything is in one place, all their materials are linked, their videos are linked, and they can see exactly what we're doing day by day. So hopefully one of those things works for you. Many thanks to Chad Eaton and Micah Noble for the use of their Schoology pages, and we hope this is helpful to you.